The Kitchen Carnival. Make your own silver bat mask. To make the silver bat mask, you need either the cardboard inner of a toilet roll and some card from an empty cereal packet or similar, or the cardboard inner from a kitchen towel roll, and some kitchen foil, a paper mask, 2 milk or other bottle tops, scissors, a glue stick, a paper clip or hair grip, and a dark felt tip pen. If you're using a toilet roll, start by cutting along the glue line. Open it out and flatten it with your hands. Now cut it in half between the 2 shortest points. These are your ears. Put them to flatten under a pot or pan. Now open up your empty cereal packet and cut off the side. Cut the side in half again to make 2 thin strips of card. Or, if you're using a kitchen towel roll, cut along the glue line, open it out and flatten it by putting something heavy on each end. Cut off the triangles at each end. It may be easier to draw a line first. These are your ears. Find a way to flatten them. Cut the remaining card in half lengthways to create 2 thin strips. From now on, the process is the same whether you're using a toilet roll or kitchen towel roll. Take your 2 thin strips of card and glue them together to make 1 long strip. Glue your ears onto the card either side of the join. The long straight edges of your ears need to be furthest away from the join. When the glue is dry, join the card together at the front with your paper clip or hair grip. Try it on and adjust the card until it fits your head loosely. Use a pen to mark where the card needs to join, then take the clip off and glue it together. You can put the clip back on to hold the card in place while the glue dries. Next, cut off some squares of kitchen foil. Start wrapping the foil around your headband. Make sure you use the same side of the foil each time, either the matte side or the shiny side. You can use more glue to hold the foil in place if necessary. Use your fingers to shape the foil in the ears. One of these used the matte side and one used the shiny side. One was made using the toilet roll and card, and one was made using the kitchen towel roll inner. Next, draw a dot in the middle of each milk bottle top to make the eyes, despite the saying, bats are not blind. Now glue the eyes onto the headband. Leave them to dry while you decorate your paper mask. Here is a simple way to draw on a mouth and nose. Make a dot in the middle of the top of the mask and draw a triangle down from it. Draw 2 more triangles at the bottom of the big one to make the teeth, and fill in the top triangle to make the nose. If your mask is shaped rather than flat, here's another easy way to decorate it. When the mask is still folded, draw a dot near the top to make the nostril. Draw a line up from the middle of the mask to make the smile, and add a triangle coming down to make a tooth. Repeat on the other side, then open up the mask. Don't wear the mask until the smell of the felt tip pen has completely gone. Now you're ready to make your wings.